If you want emails that actually reflect your brand, you're in the right place. Because most email marketing tools make you choose either between something that looks good or something that actually works. But Flodesk is built differently. It's not just about beautiful emails, it's about creating a full system to grow your audience and your business. Now, I've personally used Flodesk in my own business, and honestly, I've tried a lot of different email platforms over the years, but I keep coming back to Flodesk. And that's really because of these three things: the aesthetics, how user-friendly it is, and the fact that it still has really powerful features without feeling complicated. It just makes email marketing feel so much easier. And I'm really excited because they're sponsoring today's video, so I'll be walking you through exactly how it works and what makes it different. So make sure you stay until the end because I will show you exactly how you can set everything up in a really simple way and whether it's actually worth it for your business. Now, if you want to get started with Flodesk, you can get 25% off your first year using the link in the description below. But for now, let's dive in. So first, what actually is Flodesk? So at its core, Flodesk is an email marketing platform built for small businesses, creators, and coaches. It lets you send emails, create forms and landing pages, set up automations, and even sell products all in one place. Now, the big idea is that it's designed to be simple and intuitive, so you don't need a developer or hours of tutorials to get professional results. Now, you might be wondering what actually makes Flodesk different from all of the other email tools out there. Well, let me break it down for you. Firstly, beautiful brand-first emails. Flodesk lets you create emails that truly reflect your brand, everything from your colors, your fonts, and logo. Everything looks polished and professional without needing a designer. And this is one of the main reasons that I keep coming back to Flodesk, because your emails feel like you, not just generic templates. Secondly, easy automations. You can set up abandoned cart emails, multi-step workflows, and behavior-based triggers, all without any coding. It's a huge time saver and helps you run your business on autopilot. Thirdly, high converting forms and landing pages. So pop-ups, full page landing pages, video forms, spin the wheel opt-ins, you name it. Flodesk makes it easy to grow your list fast, and their forms convert at more than double the industry average. And finally, simple, predictable pricing. So all paid plans include unlimited email sends starting at just $25 a month, so there are no hidden fees or surprises as your list grows. But more about pricing later in this video. So these four things, design, ease, high converting forms, and predictable pricing, are why Flodesk stands out and keeps me coming back over other platforms that I've tried. So who should actually use Flodesk or will make the most out of using Flodesk? Now, as mentioned earlier, Flodesk is really made for small business owners, coaches, creators, and solopreneurs. It's built to help you create professional branded emails, grow your list, and even sell products, all without needing a tech team. Now, for most creators and small business owners, Flodesk offers the perfect balance of beautiful design and simplicity, while also continuing to expand features to support growing teams and more advanced marketing needs. So how does Flodesk stack up against other popular email providers? So based on my personal experience, here are my honest thoughts. Versus MailChimp, Flodesk is much easier to use and far better for keeping your branding consistent. MailChimp's templates and brand tools feel more like a settings menu, while Flodesk is built around your actual brand from the ground up. Now versus Kit or MailerLite, Flodesk gives you more design options and high converting forms. Kit keeps things very minimal, and MailerLite is budget friendly but limited in design depth, so Flodesk wins if you want emails that look polished and unique. Versus Beehive or Brevo, Flodesk has stronger checkout and automation features. Beehive is great for newsletter publishing and Brevo is multi-channel, but Flodesk lets you sell products, recover abandoned carts, and set up multi-step automations all in one simple platform. So overall, if you care about brand consistency, easy to use design, and growing your business efficiently, Flodesk really stands out. Now that you have a better understanding of Flodesk's main capabilities and features, I do want to show you just how fast and intuitive it is to create something that looks like your brand without any training. So for the sake of this overview, I'll show you exactly how fast it is that you can set up a fully branded freebie opt-in in Flodesk. And this is perfect for PDFs, worksheets, checklists, basically anything digital that you want to share with your audience. So step one, you will need to create a branded form, and you can do this by clicking New Form, then Full Page or Pop-up. Then you can add your headline, anything like Get My Freebie Guide or whatever you want to call it, a subheading, and a call to action button like Download Now. Then you can customize your colors, fonts, any photos, logos to match your brand. And in just seconds, my form is fully branded with colors and fonts that all match my business. Then the next step would be to connect your form to a welcome email. And you can do that by following these steps. So you'll first click Automations, then you'll click New Workflow, and then you'll add a trigger, which will be Form Submitted. Then you'll add your welcome email and add your freebie PDF or link. Now, once that is all done, you can preview your email sequence. And this welcome email will then deliver the freebie automatically, and subscribers get immediate access to the guide or the checklist or the worksheet that you sent them. And then you can start building trust right away, all without touching a single line of code. Before the sequence goes live, you can preview it and publish by clicking preview, clicking mobile preview, and then lastly, when you're ready to hit publish, you just simply hit publish. And then your opt-in is live and ready to start converting visitors into subscribers. This workflow is perfect for creators, coaches, and small businesses who want to grow their email list fast with beautiful branded high-converting freebies. Now, these are just a few of the many powerful features of Flodesk. But now when it comes to pricing, Flodesk has a few starting options. These particular plans are based on 1,000 subscribers. There's a free plan where you can start building your email list with forms, landing pages, design templates, and audience segmentation, but no basic email sending. Then you have the Lite plan for $25 a month, and that includes everything in free, plus unlimited email sends, analytics, one seat, and support for up to 25,000 subscribers. Next is the Pro plan for $35 a month, and this includes everything in Lite, plus unlimited workflows, advanced analytics, 2 seats, and 1 checkout if you need to use the e-commerce options. And lastly, the Everything plan for $54 a month. This includes everything in Pro, plus unlimited checkouts, sales pages and funnels, subscriptions and payment plans, abandoned cart automations, and 3 seats. Paid plans scale with your number of email subscribers. So as your audience grows, your plan adjusts with no per email fees or surprises. So as you can see, Flodesk is more than just an email tool. It's a full system for creating beautiful on-brand emails, automating your workflows, growing your list with high converting forms, and scaling your business with simple, predictable pricing. If you're ready to see just how easy email marketing can be, you can get 25% off your first year of Flodesk using the link in the description below. And as always, if you did love this video, give it a like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another video from me. Thanks so much for watching, and keep building your dream.